Vanessa Lynn Marivete?
Here.
All right. So she has already entered a plea and
Right off the bat, rejected from drug court, no ID, and homeless. This isn't just a court appearance, it's a full-blown system failure on display. But stick around because what this judge says next, it might just flip the narrative.
she was rejected from felony drug court. All right. So they're saying that you don't have stable housing. What's going on with you?
So I stay right now where I can stay. I recently just got a phone because I had to get a brand new phone. My ex has all my belongings and I personally don't want to he lives on the property where I'm not supposed to be. And so I don't want to have contact with him or go to the property or send anybody there to get my belongings. So I've been trying to figure that out. I did speak to my probation officer and he said that he would try to work with me to see how I can
Just
get
a
my
moment.
belongings.
Can I get the steps on this case? It's Vanessa Lynn Marivete. See, we have Odyssey now, so everything is supposed to be electronic, but they don't have the manpower to put everything in the system. So
Without an ID or social security card, she can't work. Without work, she can't get housing. And without housing, she can't comply with court orders. This is a cycle many defendants face.
Let's break that down. No ID means no job means no housing, and no housing means you're violating court conditions. It's not defiance, it's logistics, and it's a trap too many fall into.
So none of your information is in the system. So is there a reason, because I see here that they were trying to contact you through your parents?
Yes, so as soon as I got a phone, I was made aware of that through my mom and stuff that
I'm talking to Mike because probation cannot hear you, right?
so I was made aware that that they wanted me to show up and stuff. So I was trying to figure that out too, and I had talked to my probation officer, but he told me he wanted me to focus on just showing up the court first.
So who are you living with? Where are you staying?
So right now I have been just pretty much staying in hotels and things like that. But because I don't have access to my ID or social security card.
So how are you affording hotels?
So it's getting paid through my dad right now because I do have job offers, things like that, but the thing is I don't have access to my ID or social security card.
So why are you not staying with your dad?
Judge Boyd's frustration is loud and clear, and honestly, can you blame him? Ever try navigating a digital system that doesn't even have your paperwork uploaded? Let us know in the comments. Should judges call out broken systems more often or stay strictly procedural?
Because he lives in Wisconsin right now.
All right. So why are you not staying with your mom?
They all my family stays in Wisconsin. The closest family members that I do
Oh,
have is in Boston. But I don't want to do anything else.
All right, just a second. So here's the thing about Odyssey. If Odyssey is not going to have the stipulations on file and paperwork is missing, I don't even know why we have Odyssey. I have nothing to go on with regards to this case. I know there's no contact orders in place with you.
I'll print out the judgment.
No, I just need the stipulations. I don't need it.
Stipulations and into this. Looking at me.
Does anybody have a police report?
Judge Adamson, I'll do it right now.
All right, thank you. If you could just email it to me.
Okay.
And counsel, what's being emailed to me is what would have been what was in the stipulations.
Judge Boyd is clearly frustrated, not just with Vanessa's situation, but with a system that left her unsupported.
Judge, I just need another update while you're waiting on that. Miss Mirabete was supposed to have some TAP evaluation conducted while she was in custody. And if she was not accepted into felony drug court to follow the recommendations of the TAP, she was released without having a TAP, so we did not get to the TAP.
All right, let's do this. If you're drug tested today and you're going to get drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Okay, have nothing.
All right. So let's get our drug tested today.
Okay, and I just wanted the court to be aware that we did complete the mental health evaluation, and she was all clear there.
All right, so you're gonna do a drug test today. And then we're gonna come back and counsel, then at that time, the court will make a ruling on this and what should be done. And then hopefully by then, we will have something on your case. Okay? So if you'll talk to Miss Abrams is gonna tell you where you need to go for your drug test, okay? And then after you've completed your drug test, you're gonna come back here, and that drug test, you're not gonna be charged for it, okay? All right, thank you.
That moment right there, the clean drug test, that's a turning point. You can almost hear the courtroom take a breath. This isn't just about punishment now, it's about possibility.
When do you want us to come back, Judge?
As soon as she finishes her drug test, it's the location where she's getting the drug test, it's near the Bear County Jail. And then she'll come back and we will have the results
Today or tomorrow?
today.
Despite the confusion and missing paperwork, Judge Boyd cuts through the noise to prioritize what matters most: Vanessa's sobriety and stability.
Hello. So I'm glad you tested clean. That's the first step, right? So I want to make sure that you're clean and healthy. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to try to get you stabled on housing.
You can hear the tone shift once Vanessa tests clean. This is her chance to start over, and Judge Boyd knows how rare that moment can be.
And everything else. So have you been able to talk to someone about housing yet or no?
Yeah, I did have a friend of mine that said that she could try to help me out with a program or something, or a job too, but the thing is like she again like told me about the social security card and ID. So I'm just trying to figure out how I can get that so that I can get started on a job.
Well, they do have a program. It's a nonprofit. It's called Build Better. I think Building Better. They may be able to help you as far as obtaining identification and getting license. Now, mind you, nobody's going to walk you to a specific place, but at least they can cut down on the research you have to do on how to figure out to do it. You understand?
Judge,
Yes.
in addition, she can speak to her probation officer and we can get you
Yes.
with the reentry program.
All right. So this is what I'm going to do. Do you want to set it for another compliance to make sure that she stays on track and that she has the housing and everything taken care of?
Yes, Judge, and I'm gonna give her a reporting date, for her officer.
All right. When do you want to call this back?
Judge, can you give me 45 days? I wanna see if we can get the TAP evaluation done within that 45 days as well.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a,
Address the court.
yes.
Can we have their compliance hearing with her directly instead of in front of you? Because she didn't have a car. That's the big problem.
Zoom check-ins instead of in-person court dates, a ACE lifeline for those without transportation, but also a test of accountability. Would you trust someone to stay compliant remotely? Comment below.
She can do it by Zoom.
Or
So that's how it works. But I can
Yeah,
tell you
yeah.
this.
For now, I just have a cell phone, but
All right, so here's the thing. If you're not doing well, you're gonna have to appear in court. I will work with you because I understand you have transportation issues, and this is for compliance, but it's to help you stay on track. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I need a 45-day reset. All right, so it's gonna be September 8th. So you need to make sure that you're following through on everything. And if there's somebody you can't get in touch with, that's what I'm here for. Come back to the court, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Abrams is going to give you the information you need and who you need to contact to help you with everything, all right?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.
thank
You're
you.
welcome. And who is your other client, Bridget?
Adam Keach, but I think Ashley's is gone.
Well, I don't even, let me see if they've given me that file. Ah, she did give it to, yeah, she gave it to me. See, I'm sitting here, I'm waiting for files. All right, it's a beautiful day. Adam Keith. Counsel, where are you on discovery with this case?
Judge, we are missing EMS records, and I supplied the state with a USB, and I'm still missing 6 videos.
Plus 6 videos missing. And do you know if they have this in their possession?
Yes, they do. I gave them a USB, but it wasn't large enough.
Okay.
And then I went ahead and I downloaded it. And so I narrowed it down to make it easier.
Mhm.
And now I'm just missing 6 videos. And I think the USB that they have should be large enough for them to upload it to that.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, can I have a 30-day reset for discovery? This will be the final reset for discovery. If there's an issue, then witnesses will need to be subpoenaed by the state.
I can do August 18th.
All right, August 18th.
I'm out that week.
All right.
I can do the 15th, the 14th, I'm sorry, or the week after that. Okay.
All right, we'll see you back on August 14th. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just be back up.
Jerry McGee. Don't hand me any more files, please. Is this for a motion to revoke?
It is just, he has some unindicted cases. I think the state wants to see if we can reach a reset so I can get a global health on all the pending cases that he had.
All right, and state, how long will that take?
Judge, if I can have 3 weeks, it is a total of 7 cases that I have to go through. That some of them I was looking through right now, and some of them do have evidence, but on other ones, I'm gonna have to reach out and then I'll confer with Mr. Witter to resolve all cases.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, on McGee, I need a 3-week reset. Hello.
Morning, Judge. How are you?
Oh, it's been a
Good
day.
afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good evening.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 004178 State versus Ruth Gonzalez Payne. Could I have parties announced?
Duffy Hitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Chris Arce for the defense, Your Honor.
And are you Ms. Payne?
Yes, I am.
All right. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Payne, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney?
Yes.
All right, are you applying for deferred adjudication or community supervision?
Deferred adjudication, Judge.
Did you review, because both are signed, that's okay. Did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you weigh the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Payne, did you review the admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance penalty group 2 less than 1 gram as a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and sentences you to more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call on the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Payne, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor, I have.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her rights to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, there's a $1,000 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor. I did want to ask for the court's consideration on the $1,000 fine.
Okay. All right, state.
That is the agreement.
All right, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph? Did you understand it? Sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution, and no driving without a valid license. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
State offers states exhibit 1 and all attachments at this time, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor. Also, may I have an opportunity to
Yes.
speak on Ms. Payne's behalf? She's 58 years old, Your Honor. She's fully employed. She takes care of her elderly husband, who is 75 years old, who is a Vietnam veteran, who is legally blind from a stroke that he suffered. I wanted to discuss the possibility of early termination of probation, as we intend on getting all the requirements done within the next 6 to 12 months. Further, Your Honor, the $1,000 fine, as she is a sole provider, she's fully employed, but they're basically just relying on her paycheck. We're asking for that to be waived as well, Judge.
All right. So what is your employment?
I work for Brett Lawyer Insurance.
All right. And do you have any minors in your home?
No, ma'am, I don't.
So why are you doing this offense?
I don't know, ma'am, I can.
I mean, well, what caused you to do it? And let me just tell you, the reason why I ask some of these questions is because you need to figure out why you are doing what you do so that you won't repeat it and that you can get clean and sober.
Did you
Maybe
catch that the judge is
this
second
is
guessing
not
if
for her,
probation
maybe
is even the right path
PTD.
here?
I
Maybe
agree.
this defendant needs a different program entirely. When
Counsel, if
justice
y'all
isn't
want
one
more
size fits
time
all,
to
flexibility can
discuss
be
it,
the
we can
fairest
come back
verdict.
at 2.
I have not smoked. I am clean at the moment,
Okay.
and I will be for the future. I will not smoke again.
May I speak on her behalf, Your Honor?
So what caused you to do this? What was going on?
I have always smoked.
Mhm. What, this?
No, not that.
So why did you smoke this?
Actually, that did not belong to me. I had it in my purse and I forgot that it was there. I smoke marijuana. I do not vape though.
Okay. Does she have any prior history?
We can check on that.
Nothing other than a DWLI, Judge.
And how old are you?
I'm 58.
Okay. Do you have any criminal history other than this?
The state
Yes.
can confirm this.
Okay.
This is true.
Let's go off the record for a moment.
Around the corner, around the corner. Second. Go downstairs. Who's here for this? Don't even start.
And counsel, this is just something that I wonder, because if she doesn't have any criminal history, maybe this is not for her, maybe PTD.
I agree.
Counsel, if you all want more time to discuss it, we can come back at 2.
Judge.
Well, you can see.
It'll just be a couple moments.
Okay, no problem.
Is this on the record or?
Oh, no, we're not. Here's the thing.
Oh, are you gonna take a break or, sorry, I didn't know.
Oh, no. All right, so this is what I will do. We're gonna go back on the record. The court is not, any objection to the court not sentencing the defendant today?
No objection from the state, Your Honor.
And you're waiving PSI and TAP?
Yes, sir.
All right, so as previously stated, the court is going to find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt. When do you think your client will have items done to present to the state?
I would say 3 months, 4 months max. We've already been on it. It's just a matter of dealing with these smaller counties that these tickets are on.
I'm going to tell
You
you.
get paperwork from them within the next 30 to 60 days.
All right, so I'm going to give you a 2-month reset. After that, she's going to be sentenced.
Understood.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if I could have a 2-month reset for sentencing. All right, September 15th, once you sign the reset form, you are excused.
Thanks, Your Honor.
You're
May we
welcome.
be excused.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.